JRU Heavy Bombers just got their first win kontra sa Letran Knights. You know what time it is? Hands in. What a win from JRU. Under their new head coach Nani Apundulan, ang daming mga players na nagpunta sa JRU because they believe in the program and the system that he has. And you have to note, nakaramihan sa mga players na meron si Coach Nani, puro rookies. So as expected, nung una, kinakapapa nila yung laro talaga nila. But one thing that I liked about what JRU did was the fact that they're so scrappy. And they're very relentless. Parang sila yung team na nagtathrive sa chaos. Nakakala mo doon na matatapos yung play, may mga broken plays and all of that. And yet they were still able to perform at nakakalamang pa sila ng double digits kontra sa Letran. Oo, sige, sabihin natin na nakabawi yung Letran. They were within striking distance, single digits. But what I liked about JRU now is yung kanilang drive and motor. Tsaka nandito din yung mga NCAA juniors program from high school. So kumbaga, pamilyar na yung ibang mga players sa kung sino yung mga kakampi nila kasi nakalaban nila nung high school eh. Si Alan Lorenaria tsaka si Sean Salvador galing ng Mapua. Si Harry Herrera at si Sanlea Peñaverde. And they all got minutes. Not just garbage minutes, but very valuable minutes. Of course, Justin Lozano and Sean Argente are gonna be expected na magle-lead sa team na to be able to get them through to the Final Four. But for a bunch of rookies and a few veterans to be able to do this against the seasoned Letran squad says a lot about their program and their conditioning kung paano nila nakuha tong panalo na to.